Yeah, it is the morning time. It is time for school. Yeah.
Shut up, you worm.
I don't care.
If it's time for school, I hate school a lot.
I hate you. I'm telling Daddy. I don't care.
What? What do you want?
Horrid Henry is bullying me.
Oh really? How about you get ready for school, and we can talk about it after school. Man, Peter, how much I hate school. It is so dumb. And stupid.
I love you. School, yeah. I love you. School.
Ugh.
I got to go poopy.
Okay, class, today we're going to do extremely hard test. Mr. Hank, can I go to the bathroom? Yes, to come back in 1 minute. Because we're having a serious, important, major, big, fat test. Okay, there's a fire alarm computer thing. And I'm going to activate the computer to sound the alarms. How do you work this thing? Gosh, this is so hard. Let me try again. I wonder what this button does. Nothing is. There it goes.
Hold it right there.
Oh, I'm dead.
Come with me right now.
I got a text message. And there's a video.
Hi, I'm Jessica. I am the principal of the school. Horrid Henry messed up the fire alarm control system computer. And fire alarm started to ring. And receiving so much consequences. So parents, come right now. Poop.
Explain this right now.
Hi, my name is Jessica. Your son messed up the computer control for the fire alarms. And this president will tell you how much money to fix the computers.
$5,000.
Ooh, dumb face, dumb ass from mess, stupid dumb horse, little dumb bum head bump shirt. How dare you mess up the fire alarms at SIT? You are grounded for 1667800292991199292929.portuiop.poi truk. Poi truk.